does slope to the left. It really does. Don't you see? Don't you see that? This is Jill for today. We're having a conversation about the camera. Do you see it sloping to the left?
You know, my next wife is going to be saying.
I told him today. I said, thank you so much for keeping me on this side of crazy.
And I said, if you're on this side of crazy, I'm really scared about what's on the other side.
Well, here is our signature glass of
signature cup of coffee. Well, why are we drinking coffee instead of wine?
We told you, the party's over. You know, we are like, I always describe us, we are like a couple of little kids that mom and dad have left alone in the house, and we just go crazy, you know.
With a credit card.
They've left us alone with the credit card, and that refrigerator is in there, and those cupboards are in there, and we just say, oh, we're just going to go crazy because mom and dad aren't here.
That's right.
They're home. Mom and dad are home.
One of our New Year's resolutions
and
is take off these extra pounds.
Oh, it's just gotten so out of
And we're expecting you to hold us accountable.
Now, how do you expect them to do that?
I don't know. Send in comments. Hey, you're slipping, fat boy, whatever.
Anyway, it's serious. Absolutely serious. So, I mean, it's like serious. So we're doing that. Anyway, so that's right. We're not having a signature glass of wine today. We're having, actually, it's so darn cold out.
That's right. It helps to wrap your hands around a cup of coffee.
So we're out driving today. We're going to the store, like we always do.
But we bought good, healthy stuff.
We did buy good
As you can see from Jill for today's haul.
Grocery haul. The first of 2020.
Yes.
So all of a sudden I realized I am absolutely suffocating in this car. It's so suffocating. Well, he's got all the vents turned down. I wish they had been down. They were off. There was no air. I'm like a dog. You know how the dogs, you see the dogs with their nose and their face out the car, you know, and the wind's blowing in it? That's how I am. I've got to have air blowing in my face 24/7.
We go to bed at night.
God,
it's 20 degrees out.
It's true. I'm sorry.
She kicks off all the covers. She opens the windows. And before I get in bed, she says, turn on the ceiling fan.
I do.
I'm surprised she doesn't run the air conditioning all winter.
Now, to be fair, I really don't believe this is like, this is who I am. This is how I've always run. It's not menopausal. It's not over 65. It's not any of those issues. Since I was a kid, it's like I got to have my face out the door.
She's exothermic.
I absolutely am.
I always say I'm going to throw another log on Jill so we can get the fire roaring.
It's true. I took after, I think my father did the same thing. So anyway, okay, so diet. Christmas is over. The holidays are over. And we are happy campers. We are. It's just too stressful. And we talked about that during our live stream.
What we'd really like to do next year is just go away.
Yeah.
For the holidays. Leave before Christmas, come back after New Year's.
Yeah. It's
go nowhere. Someplace warmer.
Yeah, I don't want to even start about the moving thing. He sounds like, where could we move that's warmer in winter? And I said, if it's warmer in winter, sweetheart, it is going to be warmer in summer. Right.
As I age, that warmer in summer doesn't sound so bad.
You're as young as you feel.
Oh, God. Call the paramedics.
Speaking of younger than you feel, the director will be disappearing here for about a 6 to 8 week period of time. You can go ahead.
Maybe not that long.
6 weeks?
I started a medication this morning to apply to my face, temples, nose, and cheeks, which in as little as 4 or 5 days may turn me into a crusty, painful mess.
You've got a lot of
either precancerous or cancerous. The medication treats both.
Yeah.
So
skin things. You know.
In short order, you develop redness, rash, crustiness, and that's supposed to last for 2 weeks or longer. So
he will be hideous.
You'll hear my voice. Yes, I will be hideous, more so than usual.
So you'll see him off camera, but he'll be here.
Yeah, I'll wave or something.
Yeah. And, so that's we're going to look forward to that. It won't
be pleasant to look at.
So New Year's Eve, which was very quiet on our part, we had just a nice quiet dinner. Oh, I know we had lobster tails, and we told you we were going to have lobster tails.
We got them on sale.
We got them on sale,
And they
half
tasted
price.
like they were on sale.
Well, it was that, first of all, they were so small. I think that maybe is why they were just kind of a non-event. They were very small,
Yes.
and they just didn't have a lot of flavor.
No, they weren't.
So I think, and actually after it, we said, you know what? We haven't had lobster tails. Well, like I had said,
Since we went to Maine.
we had it for your birthday. Remember? When
Oh,
you
that's
were
right. You had some flown in.
70 years old, and it's just we've just kind of, I think we don't want to eat them anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway.
So, but anyway, it was very quiet. We had a very quiet night, and we go to bed.
Nice.
It was nice. Go to bed before midnight.
But at 9 o'clock, the fireworks started because it was New Year's somewhere in the United States.
No, that's here?
Yes.
No, because I said to you, what time is it? And you said, it's midnight?
That was the second set of fireworks.
We didn't go to bed before 9 o'clock.
No,
Oh,
no,
well,
but the fireworks did start at 9 o'clock.
oh, God. Where was I? Was I making merry? Honestly, I don't remember that. Oh, God. No wonder I'm off my signature glass of wine. We go to bed, and it's like all of a sudden there's, the fireworks people have saved from July 4th all start going off right outside our bedroom window, I'm sure. And I said, what time is it? He says, it's midnight.
Coffee isn't bad.
Well, thank you.
I was addicted to artificial sweetener, so that was one of my New Year's resolutions. I threw away what little artificial sweetener I had left, and I've gone to black coffee, and
How's it going there?
it's working out.
Speaking of New Year, I keep holding that pen, pointing that pen at you. Speaking of New Year's resolutions.
It's the old school teacher in her.
I am going to do women's videos. I've had some response, people want women's videos, and the first one I'm going to do is on how to reset that New Year's button, how to reset our lives, how to get out there and hit that reset button. Do you think they're going to realize it's how to reset your...
I don't know. You weren't quite clear.
So look forward to that video next week, because I am going to do one, and it's about resetting that button of yours. So there you are. So I got that going for me. The recipes I will be creating here in the next, they're going to be low fat, they're going to be low calorie, they're going to be Mediterranean. Now, whenever you look at what's the best, healthiest, blah, blah, blah plan, what's it go down to? It always comes down to what? Mediterranean. It's such common sense stuff. Lots of fruits and vegetables, grains, low quantity of meats, some nuts, healthy fats.
We have a relative.
We do?
Who had a quintuple bypass.
Well, let's just say it the way it is. It's my brother.
And so Jill asked him about his diet, and he's on keto. And so what did he have for breakfast the other night?
3 eggs.
3 eggs.
Sausage.
There was something else. Cheese, yeah.
I'm saying, Tony, I love you so much. What are you doing?
Well, my cholesterol's fine.
So anyway, we don't really... We tried keto. We thought about keto.
Everything we've read says that the healthiest diet you can eat is a Mediterranean diet. So we're going to try it.
We're going to try that. Anyway, we really are going to try that. We're going to ask you to keep us accountable.
It's not something new either. We've known that to be the case for a long time.
We just have a hard time.
It's just,
We've had a hard time resetting that diet button of ours.
And one of the things I want to do in the new year is I want to bake bread.
He does.
I'm going to put together a sourdough starter, and I want to bake bread. Lots of different kinds of bread, lots of bread. It's therapeutic, the kneading process. So anyway, fortunately for me, the local firehouse has graciously offered to take whatever bread that I have left over that we can't use.
Yes, because we don't need all that bread. I don't really eat a lot of bread.
No, you don't.
I don't. If I make a loaf of bread, I may take like a half a slice, to see how it turned out. I'm not a bread eater. It could sit there and mold on the counter. It could. I just don't care. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Man does not live on bread alone. I could.
He does. He could.
I absolutely could.
Yeah, he could.
But anyway, so I'm going to bake bread and keep a very little of it and eat it sparingly and take the rest to the firehouse.
And they're going to love you for it.
So they'll be so heavy that they can't get up the ladders.
They need all that extra
Yeah.
calories. All right. Well, this is kind of a short one. Anything you want to share?
No, it's cold. We're
It is
still
cold.
waiting for input on great places, smaller communities to live.
No, wait a second.
What?
I thought we just had a conversation, got that pen, 2 or 3 days ago about the fact that we got this
If I
2-year
could-
plan
if I could
and we're
find
not
a
going anywhere.
Yeah, well, it's not like somebody's going to suggest a place and we're going to move there tomorrow. It takes us a while to get started, you know. At my age, you got to kind of get out there and crank the old engine. So still looking for a place that's smaller than where we live. We live in the Portland metropolitan
I
area.
think that we're going to
Has good medical care,
put this
is affordable,
into our
and is safe,
2-year plan.
and better weather.
Okay. All right, anyway, is that it? Are we done?
I guess I am.
Yeah, I think you are at
When
this
she
point.
says, "Is that it? Are we done?" means shut up,
no.
director.
Oh, you know I don't mean that. No, is there something you wanted to talk about?
I don't have a list.
Well, maybe you should make a list.
Maybe I will.
No, it's just something you want to talk about.
No, just hope you guys all have a great new year. I hope 2020 is your best year ever.
Best year yet.
And just enjoy.
And we're just resetting that button.
That's right.
All right.
My sister is in Las Vegas right
Yeah.
now. I'm hoping she hits a big jackpot and sends us a ton of money.
Yeah. All right, everybody.
But
Thanks.
I'm not holding my breath.
Now, the other thing, too, is I don't get too commercialized. I don't want to be too commercialized. But I got to kick this baby up into high gear. So we're going to start doing a little bit more videos. right?
Hopefully,
Hopefully,
yes.
a few more videos. And, yeah. Some more product reviews.
Yes.
And
We have a couple products we haven't reviewed.
yeah, they're here. The people who sent them to me, I said, I can't do anything until after Christmas.
Of course, she'll be doing those alone because I'll be hideous.
That's right, you'll be hideous.
That's right.
We'll worry about that when the
I
time
can
comes.
contribute.
Your hand,
You'll see my hand with the, yeah.
All right, everybody, thanks a lot. We will see you soon, and we love y'all. Take care.
Right. And if you have any coupons for free psychiatric care, send them on in.
See you later. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.